Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this TP-Link Tapo P110 mini smart Wi-Fi socket. It's a compact and affordable smart plug designed to bring smart home functionality to your existing appliances. It allows you to control devices remotely via smartphone app, set schedule and monitor energy usage. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Tapo Max 3680 watts, 16 amp. One button here and the plug. Indicator with a built-in surge protection and overheating prevention for safe operation. And of course you can control connected devices from anywhere using the Tapo app on your smartphone. Simple installation process with the Tapo app, requiring no hub or additional hardware. Plugs, Tapo P110. Wi-Fi setup, already orange and green. Connect to your Tapo device, go to the Wi-Fi settings, there is a Tapo, connect it. I am already connected. Connection available only on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password from your router. Next. You can rename the device. Okay. Next. Where have you placed the Tapo device? Living room or custom? Choose an icon. Check the firmware. Update now. Congratulations! And there's the device. You can switch it off or on. Off again. Plug in this light and on. Off. Lighting control. Turn lamps on or off remotely or set schedule for automated lighting. So easy. Appliance management, control devices like fans, heaters or coffee makers from your phone. Unplug, and I would like to connect a high power consumption device. So like this toaster. Track the energy usage of high power appliances to identify savings opportunities. So more. Power. Live, right now we can see 1874 watts. And with a button you can switch off. And we can see it is off right now. On again. Back again. High power consumption. Past 24 hours, past 7 days. Energy usage. We can see the diagram by day, month, year. Today, this month, bill of this month is a cost-effective way to add smart functionality to your home. It is so convenient to know every second what is the power consumption at your home. Export all data, delete all data. Energy usage, you can go back and check. I just love it. And off. You can schedule, add, custom time, sunrise, sunset, adjust the hour and the minute, turn device on or off, repeat, all the days of the week or one of these days, and save. Timer, turn device on or off. In my case, I have in my water heater one of these devices, and every time I can turn on, turn off my heater from the app, from my smartphone. It is so convenient. Adjust the hour, the minutes, turn on or turn off. Away, set the period of time during which the smart device will be randomly turned on and off to make it seem like someone is home. I like that. And you can adjust the start time and the end time and choose the days of the week. Prepare for sleep, smart action, you can create automation, add smart. If you have more devices from Tapo, you can create automation when the lights will turn on, turn off, with sensors, with motion sensors, with plugs. Smart home from Tapo. I have made a video in the past, smart home from Tapo. You can check down below the description with all the devices from Tapo. Definitely you don't want to miss these videos if you want to make your home smart. Night light, automated devices, turn on lights. That is some of the recommended actions. And of course you can create your own to suit your needs. Device sharing, you can share to other members of your family, support center, favor, disable, enable. And here you can adjust the device icon, the name, the location, LED status, auto, off, night mode, and you can adjust the hour and the minutes when it will turn on or off. The indicator light here, but it is so small, I don't think it will bother me. Default state, auto off timer, enable, adjust the hour and the minutes, power protection. When enabled, your Tapo device will be powered off when its power exceeds the set threshold, and you can adjust. Charge guard, it is on beta. Mobile phone tablets, laptops, smart watches, custom power, custom time, you can adjust the hour and the minutes. Groups, if you have more devices, you can create a group. Smart actions, again, device info and firmware update. And of course, you can use it with Google Assistant or Alexa. Okay Google, turn on TechGuru.
Got it. Turning TechGuru on.
There it is. It is on. Okay Google, turn off TechGuru.
Alright, turning TechGuru off.
And the same thing you can do and with Alexa. And that's it everyone, we've just explored the TP-Link Tapo Wi-Fi socket, and I have to say this little device is a game changer for making your home smarter and more energy efficient. With its easy setup, energy monitoring and voice control compatibility, it's a must-have for everyone looking to automate their home or simply make everyday tasks a bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more smart home reviews, tech tips and gadget guides. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay connected, and I'll catch you later.